On February 10th, an American Airlines Airbus A321-200 was involved in an incident with a passenger bus at Los Angeles International Airport, or LAX. The incident resulted in at least 5 people being injured. The incident has left the aircraft grounded for several days, with various photos of the damaged aircraft surfacing on social media. Let's take a look at what happened in today's video. On Friday, February 10th, a passenger bus collided with an American Airlines Airbus A321-200 registered November 193 Uniform Whiskey. The aircraft was being towed for maintenance at Los Angeles International and was in the process of moving from a gate at the airport's T7 to a remote parking area. According to LAX officials, the taxiway collision involving the A321 and the passenger bus resulted in 5 people being injured, including the bus driver. Despite the incident, operations at the airport remained normal and undisrupted, the airport said in a statement on its social media channels. According to a report by 18news.com, the Los Angeles Fire Department said 1 person was taken to the hospital in moderate condition. Meanwhile, according to CBS, the bus driver and 2 other passengers were taken in a fair condition. Shortly after the incident, as well as in the days following, video footage and photographs appeared on social media showing the aircraft and the damage it sustained. One photo taken within a hangar shows the 14.5-year-old November 193 Uniform Whiskey with a sizable dent to its radome, also known as a nose cone. Damage also appears slightly behind the radome on the underside of the nose fuselage. As for the bus, visuals taken from the air show long and extensive cracking to the vehicle's front left windshield. According to Airbus technical data, the ground clearance at maximum ramp weight for an Airbus A321 is 1.73 meters or 5.68 feet. While the exact model of bus involved in the collision could not be identified at the time of our video's production, the height of many passenger buses exceeds 3 meters in height. Incidents of this nature, where ground equipment and vehicles collide with aircraft, continue to be an issue. Earlier this year, we reported that an unsecured vehicle rolled underneath a 737 in Barcelona, getting itself wedged in. The cause in this January incident was a failure to engage the automobile's parking brake. Other incidents have seen equipment such as air stairs cause damage to aircraft fuselages as well. The LAX incident raises many questions, especially when we consider the fact that both vehicles, the aircraft moving under the power of a tug and the shuttle bus, are large and relatively slow-moving vehicles on the airport apron. So what are your thoughts about this incident at Los Angeles International Airport? Let us know what you think in the comments section. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.